Hello, today I'll be making chocolate coated popcorns. For this, first we have to get the popcorn ready. And once the popcorn is ready, we have to use double broiling method to melt the chocolate wafers. Double broiling method is very easy. All you have to do is just in a bowl or a pan, you have to have water to boil, and once on top of that you need to have another bowl in which you can add the chocolate wafers, and once the water starts to boil, the chocolate will start melting. So this method is called double broiling. So here I have the bowl full, half of water, and in another bowl I will take this vanilla flavored melting wafers. I've taken this brand, but you can take any brand you wish to, or which is available for you, and pour in all the chocolate wafers, put it on top of the other bowl which has water, and let this melt. In the meantime, what we are going to do is we have to spread the parchment paper, or it is also called as butter paper, later for us to dry the chocolate coated popcorns. Here we see that the chocolate wafers are completely melted. I'm going to add a little bit of blue color, but this is entirely optional. If you wish to add any color, you can add. If not, you can just let it stay white. Once this is completely mixed well, you can pour the melted chocolate into the popcorn. Be careful not to burn your fingers or hand. It is hot. Let it not cool, because as the chocolate gets cooler, it will become hard. So while it is hot, you have to mix into the popcorn, and then take a spatula, mix the popcorn very gently, but coat it evenly so that all the popcorns have evenly coated chocolate on them. Once you have mixed well, you have to spread this on the parchment paper. Let it dry. It'll take just a couple minutes based on the quantity again, but if you can spread well, it should not take more than 10-15 minutes, but it'll dry very nicely. I have tried doing the brown chocolate. I didn't have to add any color for this. It was the regular brown chocolate what I had, and the same method, I melted the wafers and then added into the popcorn. And once it was mixed well, I'm spreading here on the parchment paper to let it dry. Once it is completely dried, it will form the clusters because of the chocolate coating, so you will have to break them manually. So just take a bunch of them, which all the clusters whatever you see, and break them into individual popcorns. You can do different kind of colors or different kind of sprinkles you can add in, like tiny M&Ms or the chocolate, anything, any kind of this one you can add onto it. But when the chocolate wafer is still wet is when you want to add in everything, so that it kind of binds into the popcorn. If not, once it is dry, it cannot. Instead of having plain popcorn, you have two different flavors and colors here. Now you can offer it to Krishna and enjoy.